What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mikey from JDM Icon. So yesterday I actually just dropped off my 350Z at Innova to get the wrap removed. Now I'm not changing the color, but if you guys are OG to the channel and you guys have been watching my videos for a little bit, you guys probably remember that my 350Z got hit and it's just going in for some insurance work. They are going to have to remove the wrap and then fix the dents and repaint the car and then rewrap it. So I had to take it back to the wrap shop to get the wrap removed, and now we're picking it up, and I think in a couple days we're going to be going to a body shop to get all the dents fixed, and hopefully it's not too long. The parts getting here from Japan was super long. I don't really know why the mirror is taking so long, because it should be the same as the normal 350Z. Like, I don't think the mirrors changed, but they said the aspect ratio of the mirror actually changed. So anyways, luckily we have a spare 350Z that we're using to pick up mine. This is my mom's car, so my dad's gonna be driving it and dropping me off. Alright guys, so we are in the Z, and oh my god, it looks so bad. I don't know how else to describe it, but part of the car is yellow, part of it is silver. The wing isn't even on it, which I don't know, I kind of miss having some rear visibility at the back, because with the wing it kind of cuts all of what you can see like in half. It's kind of like that. But anyways, the wing isn't even on the car. It's gonna stay at the shop until the car gets done at the body shop. Like, the damage isn't too much. I'll put a link to where you can see the actual video when my car got hit and me going through everything. It's not too bad, but the car legitimately looks like a clown car. Like, I'm kind of embarrassed to drive this car around because it looks so stupid right now. Silver and yellow, I don't know, like, it could work, but also it just doesn't. But let's go ahead and take the Z back home so I can show you how the car looks like. Holy shit, look how big those tires are over there. Those are massive. We're looking at the Z in front. Not much has changed. As you can tell, one pillar isn't exactly yellow anymore. What happened was they ended up taking up the side skirt wrap, the door, the rear quarter, this part, I don't even know what this is, the A pillar I think, and the whole trunk or hatch wrap. It is looking really stupid. It looks like a clown car. Like, it doesn't look good at all. And I want to put tape here because it's snowing and I don't want any moisture or anything rusting out the hatch, so I'm gonna do that. And this, all of this is legit to fix this dent here. And as you guys know, wrap isn't really like paint. Like, if there's a scuff over here, you can kind of just like buff it out, but with wrap you literally have to replace the whole thing. So if there's a scuff going from here across here and down here, you legit have to take all the wrap out and replace it. And of course, that's what happened to the Z. But on a positive note, I'm gonna go head over to Speed Factor because Dave called me and some of the parts for the Evo finally came in from Japan. I got the canards from Speed Factor. They're right here. I'm so pumped to put them on. Unfortunately, these canards did come in late. They were supposed to come in with the front bumper, but I guess M Sports in Japan did not send them out, or they forgot. So I got the front bumper and the lip first, but the canards look super cool. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of them. First of all, these canards are insanely light. I feel like it weighs just as much as the packaging, like the bubble wrap. It's so light. Damn, look at that 1x1 carbon. All the way from Japan. I'm super hyped to put this on the Evo because I feel like the Evo The front bumper, it looks okay the way it is, but I feel like the canards would just add that extra pop. So I'm super hyped to have these canards on the Evo, because I think it'll just add that extra little pinch of aggressiveness, which is what the Evos are known for. Alright guys, so right now I was supposed to end the video and have it continue when we pick up the car, but the rest of the guys are meeting up to slide in the snow for a bit, so I'm going to be taking the Z and I'm going to be sliding. Hopefully I can get some pretty good shots. I haven't seen them in so long because of COVID, and now that the numbers locally have kind of dropped, I want to go out and see them and try and get some cool shots of the Z going sideways, with it looking like a complete and utter clown car with half of it like still silver. So I think it's gonna look really funny. So let's go ahead and get in the Z and meet up with the guys. All right, so I am finally here with the boys. Kevin is out here in the cop car. We got Brayden in the truck. And I just wanted to take a thumbnail because we're gonna be sliding the Z, the truck, and the cop car in this video. So we're gonna see which one slides better. This is all-wheel drive. This is a rear-wheel drive. They're both V6s, so this is gonna be actually really cool. Alright, so if you guys haven't been watching the channel, this is a legit police interceptor that my friend Kevin bought like secondhand when they get like expired, I guess, on the force. But you can't actually turn off all the traction, but what we did was we pulled the fuse for the ABS, and that's basically how Kevin can drift this thing, and it looks pretty sick. Holy fuck, that's a mad angle. It's like initial D-type shit with a cop car. Holy shit, that's crazy. Holy fuck, this thing is insane. This is like equivalent to like a freaking Subaru, man. Holy man, that's sick. All you need to do to slide one of these is pull the ABS fuse. Yo, that was like the ending of like the Too Fast, Too Furious, the first race. Yeah. So basically, I'll show you guys what Kevin did to, like, they call it like a kill switch to take off the ABS, but here's what he did. Where is it?
It's right here. So there's this little button here. So if I press it, if you see the dash, all the lights go off.
Okay.
Right, and if so that's normal.
Yeah, that's normal.
That's with like everything on it. I press it again, like everything turns off.
You got the Ford chime too?
Oh, everything turns off, yeah. And then you can go full speed.
That's so cool. So that's how you guys can slide a police car if you guys want to. That's how to turn off traction control completely and stability.
Oh, yeah.
the next one up is Braden's truck. So you guys have probably seen the Z slide so much, but the truck is actually, I don't know, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Look at that, the truck's going out to get some sauce. All right, all right, all right. The bro spun out. Okay, so it's kind of hard to control this truck because there's no weight at the back and there's only weight in front, so it's kind of, so you don't have a lot of grip, but woo! Tire screech in there. Fucking feeling like it's Haggard Garage out here, dude.
Oh, his headlights back on. Oh yeah. Oh, fucking mint.
Alright boys, so we're all heading out for the night. It was awesome seeing all of them together. Just gotta give them some sauce.